Hi, this is a quick video demonstration of the Canon ZR-850. I'm going to go ahead and play. Let's go ahead and get that up there so you can see it. All right. This is just something taping over, and then we're going to go to outside earlier where I videotaped outside.
Hi, this is a quick video demonstration on the Canon ZR-850. We're outside and we're going to do a couple different zooms. Zoom in, zoom out. Let's take a longer view down the road. Backing up a little bit. And let's do it one more time. Maybe we'll see a car go by down the bottom there. There we go. Alright, that was our quick video demonstration of the Canon ZR-850. Thank you.
Throughout Los Angeles County.
All right, so you can see that was what I taped over that was on there, and you can see how that's working. There is no volume control. You have to push this button here, and you can adjust your volume. Let's go ahead and close this for a second, and I want to just show you that the opening the tape. Tape in and out. And of course it says do not push there. You want to push right there. And that's our demonstration. Also, you have a lens cover right here. So this is a really nice camcorder. It comes with 2 batteries and a charger, and you'll see all the different stuff it comes with. But thank you for watching, and that's our Canon ZR-850.